If you just bought a house with a private well, no one's testing your water. That's now on you. The good news? Well water can be a great source of drinking water, but every well is different, and water quality can often change without warning. Bacteria can enter through a cracked casing or rising groundwater, and nearby activities like farming or industry can affect what actually ultimately ends up in your well water. So, what should you test for? We recommend that you start with bacteria, especially coliform bacteria like E. coli. You should also test for nitrates and heavy metals like lead and arsenic, plus any regional concerns where you live. Routine well water testing should be done once per year. Bacteria testing should be done at least quarterly, but ideally every 2 months. Bacteria is often an early warning sign that something else is wrong with the well. If your water ever fails a test, don't worry, there's a clear path forward. Inspect the well, disinfect if needed, and use your test results to guide any filtration decisions. Owning a home with a well doesn't have to be intimidating. With regular testing, well water can be safe, reliable, and something you feel confident